So, welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. And here these are two circles, and this is a transverse common tangent, that is PQ, and we have to find the length of PQ. So let's go. So this is the radius of the smaller circle, that's let A, and this is the radius of the bigger one, let it be B. Now what I'm gonna do is I will shift parallelly A to the P point. So this is A, and shift PQ parallelly here. So this is the length PQ, and this is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree as well, as these are parallel lines, and this is 90 degree. So these are also parallel lines. So this is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree as well, and this length is PQ. Okay, so I will write it here. Now you can clearly see that this is a right angle triangle in which this length is A plus B, and this length is D, and this is PQ. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write that D square is equal to A plus B the whole square plus PQ square. After solving it, we can write it as D square minus A plus B the whole square is equal to PQ square. After applying root in the both sides, we can write D square minus A plus B the whole square is equal to PQ, and this is the formula to get the length of your PQ, and that is the transverse common tangent. Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.